In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best stud finders available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the stud finders list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the stud finders mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Fnirsi WD-02 Wall Detector Stud Finder. The Fnirsi WD-02 Wall Detector Stud Finder is a state-of-the-art tool that introduces a new design with a positioning hole for enhanced accuracy during wall scanning. The vivid TFT display provides a clear visualization of detected materials, including metal, wood, and live AC cables. This stud finder is not only user-friendly but also a reliable companion for DIY enthusiasts and construction professionals alike, ensuring precision in locating studs and cables behind walls with ease. Number 4, Bosch GMS 120 Metal Detector Professional Stud Finder. The Bosch GMS 120 Metal Detector Professional Stud Finder sets the standard for comprehensive wall inspections. This high-caliber tool excels in detecting a variety of materials, such as wood, metal, cables, and water pipes, offering a thorough analysis of the wall structure. Construction professionals benefit from its precision, making it an indispensable companion for tasks requiring accuracy and reliability in identifying hidden elements within walls. This stud finder's link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 3, GVDA Metal Detector Wiring Detector Laser Distance Meter Rangefinder. The GVDA Metal Detector Wiring Detector Laser Distance Meter Rangefinder is a versatile powerhouse, integrating a wiring detector, laser distance meter, and rangefinder into one compact device. This all-in-one wall scanner excels in locating wires, cables, metal studs, and wood, streamlining construction and renovation projects. With its digital tape feature, users can achieve precise measurements, enhancing overall efficiency in various tasks involving wall scanning and material detection. Number 2, UNI-T Wall Scanner UT387E UT387S UT387 LM4 in 1 Metal Detector. The UNI-T Wall Scanner UT387E, UT387S, and UT387LM is a cutting-edge 4-in-1 metal detector and wood stud finder. Offering unparalleled versatility, it can detect not only metal and wood but also AC voltage and live cable wires. The depth tracker feature ensures accurate information about materials positioning behind walls, making it an invaluable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking reliability and precision in their wall scanning endeavors. Number 1, Bosch D-TECT 120 Professional Waterproof Digital Metal Detector. The Bosch D-TECT 120 Professional Waterproof Digital Metal Detector stands out as a top-tier choice for underground wall scanning. With its waterproof design, this high-quality stud finder tool guarantees precise detection of hidden materials behind walls even in challenging environments. Construction professionals who demand accuracy and durability in their equipment find this tool to be an exceptional choice for achieving reliable and consistent results in their projects.